Let's spread out this. It's really new. Alright. It's good to buy like when they are already like boxing sale or Black Friday sale. Yeah. Let's spread it out, and this is quite big. Our table is only but still big, 6-seaters, and this is tablecloth for Christmassy. It said it's 8-seaters in here. I saw that name here, 8-seaters. So they are bigger than this, so let's gonna spread it out towards in there. Alright guys, I was going to wash them, but sweetheart said I didn't have to because they are clean. And it's pretty new, so like really smell new. Of course. So maybe I should collect another color. There's already light pink, blue, or green. But I haven't get that one. Instead I get this. Yeah. So nice. So now I can decor the table. I got so ready runner there. Oh, look how big it is. Like really big. Oh, maybe I put wrong way. Okay. Okay, we should do that way. Let's see. No, you shouldn't. Because I think this really way. Because if I do like that, it won't be fit. Guys, here it is. I'm going to put this decor here. This is supposed to be for the table. Something. Like so display. I can put it in the middle. So I'm gonna put some utensils there and some stuff. And this heavy thing here that I scratched the table, barely table today, it's like really heavy. So this one gonna serve something here like cheese or something, or here or there. I always do this one here, this one in the corner, and here guys, see. So guys, here is the tablecloth now, the arrangement. And I got the red runner and that one for display and this one. So for now, I'm gonna put this really hot plate here and some utensils here, and probably some nice wine glasses. Cheers. So here it is. I wash all the dishes, and then I put 6 of the glass, but one of them fall down, so it's broke unfortunately. Turn into bits and pieces, and all the other utensils coming. Cheers. This plates and this now. With this pink plates with the chocolates on the top. There's more in the bottom, and this and that, and all this thing. Nice. We're going to hot and preparing for the visitor.